Hi everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lock Picking. Well, today I have a challenge lock and it is by Starrylock. And this is called Bordello on the Deadwood. This is number 5 and it was pinned July 20th of 2019, so not too long ago. Here's the bidding on the key. Very nice, 6-pin schlag. Okay, let's get this picked on camera. Well, I think I just nudged. I believe that was 4. Got a little bit of turn on the core there. Not a lot. A little click out of 2. Back to the back. Okay, I got a little click out of the back. That was number 6. Okay, I think I got 3 to set. It was awful springy. And I had 4 set. Nice click out of 5 and a nice click out of 6. Crunch out of 3. Click out of 4. It's like 5 is set. Nice click out of 6. And 6 feels set. Okay, 2 gave me a little nudge, I think. Gotta check him out. Okay, we've got a nice deep vault set now. Trying to find out what's hanging me up now. That is a really deep vault set, actually. Guess I have to back up a little bit somewhere. Okay, I think I gotta click out of 5. And lost my fault set on that one. There we go. All right. Let's see what Starrylock's got in this lock. This is the best part, opening it up, see what's in there. Okay. Now I gotta find a tray. Where are they? There's one. I have some nice new ones coming pretty quick from Bobby Keys, and I'm pretty excited about that. Okay. Gonna go ahead and close up the lock. As you can see, it's picked, and it's very tight. Key works. It's very tight though. I don't know if it's because of that clip on the back. We'll find out. Okay, let's see here. Well, it looks like I wouldn't just push that one off. Got all my stuff in my tray. I had to go on a job and just start throwing stuff. See if this will work. I don't know where my other one is right now. Here we go. That was pretty easy. I like easy. Okay. Well, I wonder what's in here. But it's so tight. First of all, I want to see what this feels like now. Oh, see, look at that, how easy that turns. It was the clip on the back that made it so tight. So that's what the deal was. Okay, let's see if we can get this guy in there. Me and my shims, right? Ooh, that almost came out the front. Shoot, that would have been a disaster. Okay, let's get this guy in here. Always have to find out where that little ridge is so you don't screw up and get your pins in there. Okay, where's the pins? There they are. Alright, all 6 pins are in there. I can tell there's been some work done to it. Let's hurry up and dump them out. Okay, now we need pointer. Appears that the core is all stock. Now let's see what's in here. Get that shim out. Trouble getting them in and out. Here we go. Whoa, throwing stuff. Here it comes. Very nice, beautiful spool. Serrations in it. Nice spring, copper spring. Number 2 is another nice spool with deep serrations in it. Okay, number 3 is a standard. Keep things straight. We're going the other way. Number 6, another nice, that's really deep serrations there. I wouldn't call that a spool. Number 5, boy, that's a beauty. Wow. Very nice. Oh, I see it's a, oh, it's a 2-piece. I'm going to take it apart so you can see it. I'll take it apart in a minute. So I'll throw everything around. It looks like a steel spring in there wanting to come out. Come on now. Here we go. Totally different. Okay. And last one in here. Now, inside of the Bible appears to be all standard. Okay. So let's get this turned around, zoom in, and we'll talk about it. Very nice looking pins there, Starrylock. Let me find something here to put under it. Yeah, got everything stacked up over here. It's terrible. Okay, here we go. And if I can keep it from sliding, I'm going to put this underneath it, I think. Maybe that'll help it. This table's slippery. I'm going to take this off too. Okay. Let's zoom in. Not really a good idea to film at night, but sometimes you don't have the chance to do it during the day, so. Okay, I'm going to turn these around. This is the first key pin has got 3 deep serrations in it, and I know what I'm doing, changing my glasses, right? Okay, and let's see here. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3 serrations on it, and it reduces up to the top, so the top is a lot smaller. Okay, and number 2 is standard. Number 3 is standard. Number 4 has 3 deep serrations. It almost looks like the twin to number 1. And this key pin it's almost like a spool, but it's 1 wider deep serration, very sharp up at the top. Okay, number 6 has got 1, 2, 3 deep serrations in it. Very nice work. And then the drivers. This has a really sharp lip on it, so you can really get hung up. Comes up a little higher, indents in again. Very nice. Okay, this is like a spool, and it's got serrations in the middle, and then 1 big deep serration around the bottom. Create a snag for you. That one's standard. This one here looks like a goblet, where it's small at the bottom, and at the very bottom here it graduates, getting bigger up towards the top. This is a pen and pen. I'm wondering if this is stuck together. Oh, very nice, yeah. Yeah, so that's like a floating pen and pen. Very cool. And, what's the matter, Ruth? What you see? Is there a deer out there? And then number 6 has got several serrations down at the bottom. Now it looks like we got all different springs here. Every one of them look different. They're all copper except for one. Number 5 is steel. But all the springs are different. Very nice. Anyways, this is by Starrylock, Bordello on the Deadwood. And I thank everybody for joining me today. And hope you come back. Give me a thumbs up if you would. And subscribe if you hadn't. And I hope you come back and see me soon. Bye-bye.